Hold up. Right back. Dang, I just put eye drops on and it looks like I'm crying. Dude, I ain't crying. I ain't crying. That ain't me, bro. That ain't me. Okay, sometimes it's me. Maybe. Why is the resolution all scuffed? Let me see. The hell? Okay, I have an idea. I have an idea. Hold up. Snap left. Aw, crap. That didn't do anything. Snap right. Oh, man. What is up? Gun quality. I can't resize this? Really? Let me just restart it. You'll regret not learning AI. Here's why. Disclaimer, I'm not representing Amazon in any way. Opinions written here are strictly my own. Hey folks, there's been a lot of hype around AI in the developer world and beyond. Okay, there's just something scuffed about this whole thing. Oh well. On Twitter, I recently created an AI demo where I programmed GPT-4 to build and deploy a website. Oh my gosh, okay. Now this is different. When I ran this code for the first time and pushed an extremely solid-looking real-life website with no human intervention into the actual design, I was floored. You might say, whatever, an AI generating some HTML isn't impressive. The truth is that this is just the tip of the iceberg. The first wave. Companies like OpenAI are hard at work improving their large language models, and as we can see from their work on Codex, hold up, I gotta make this smaller. Resolution. How about try this one? There we go. Huh. Thought I already did this. I did do this already. Today's missions. Dispatch. I don't think I'm done anywhere. Okay. Um, let's do a daily quest. Complete one daily. Do I have a? Oh, I'm full. Hold up. Let's go. Let me see something. Details. Dude. Skill +2. Dan Han uses his ultimate to defeat an enemy. He will immediately take action again. Interesting. Okay. That's neat. But what I want is... Oh, cool. I got a Star Rail Pass. That's neat. I can do a pool. Let's do a pool then. See if I get anything good. I got 10. Now I got 10. Or 11. Character trial? Warp. Come on, give me a 5-star. Give it to me. Give it to me, boys. Come on. Oh, hell. Hell yeah, dude. I actually got a 5-star. No way, dude. What? Oh, shit. I got a light cone. Oh, damn it. I didn't want a light cone. Well, not too big of a deal. Sure. Why not? What does a light cone even do? This is for preservation. Increase the wearer's defense by 24% and affects hit rate by 24%. Increase the chance for the wearer to be attacked by enemies. When the wearer is attacked, increase their defense by an extra 24% until the end of the next turn. Okay, that's pretty OP. But not really what I wanted, but I mean that's fine. Character trial? Ooh. Alright. Sounds like a plan. Okay. How about Gift of Odyssey? Cool. Simulated Swarm Disaster. I need to update my units. Let me level up. Let's see. How can I? If I want to ascend, I need a bunch of these guys. Okay. Okay, before I do that, I guess let me... Where is she? Okay, Light Cone. She should use the new one. Increase the weather effect by after ending battle. Switch. Use that. Enhance. Level up. Bam. Again. I'm running out of these things. Oh my, I am. So I need these guys. Okay. Can I make some? I don't have that many. Okay. Let's just farm. Put this over here. That, and then let me get my strong teammate to do all the work. All right. At this point, GPT-4 is doing more work on my business than myself. This is a turning point in history, similar to when the internet first came out. They say something even bigger. Learning to use AI and apply it to solve problems in your daily life will be far ahead. It might even make you rich, because if you get in now, you're still early. There's a reason executives at Amazon, Google, Meta, and everywhere else are scrambling their tech teams to start working on AI and drop everything else. I'm not saying you have to get a PhD in machine learning just to use OpenAI APIs, and tools like LangChain are so powerful, have so many applications that are untapped. Here's an example. Okay, most of them said it's going to change almost everything. Okay, this guy's just chilling on AI like nobody's business. Written by James Pog. Okay. Are you really Pog? Are you really Poggers? Anything else? Emotions are fuel for thoughts. Alright. Spaces versus tabs. How a simple formatting decision can reflect your paycheck. Tabs or spaces? That's the question. I just watched Silicon Valley season 3 episode 6, where Richard Hendricks breaks up with his programmer girlfriend because she uses spaces over tabs. Hilarious, but surprisingly accurate. I'm not serious in the program to have a preference, but some of my colleagues have rather strong opinions on the matter, and most of them prefer spaces over tabs. Today, I want to add a little something to the discussion I found while looking at data from the Stack Overflow developer survey. Let's take a look. Take a look at this graph. We got using tabs or both is the blue, is the overlap. Using spaces only, a lot more. Okay. Man, this graph is hilarious. Is there anything we can take from this? It seems like BS to me. Seems like the reason why your salary is low is not because you're using tabs over spaces. It's a salary distribution for developers in the United States that have answered the question, are you using tabs or spaces or both? Also, the difference between programmers who only use tabs and those who use both were negligible. That's why I've grouped them together. Alright, I'm just going to do this daily before I keep going here. The data is from 2017 because Stack Overflow removed the question afterwards. I know what you're thinking. As developers, preference for tabs or spaces is a proxy for something actually important, such as experience. At least that's what I thought. Median with less than 3 years experience, using spaces only. With less than 5 years experience, using spaces only. Okay. With less than 10 years experience, using spaces only. More developers use tabs or both when I filter on experience, but the difference in salary remains. Okay. Oh man. Hey Connor, right? Kappa, how's it going? I'm just hanging out, chilling, reading articles. Probably if they asked if they put under their PB, it would have turned out similar. I don't think they are correlated. Good. That is good. I'm doing all right. Yeah, I kind of agree with you, just kidding, human. It's kind of, it's a little suspect. I don't know. I feel like if you're using tabs, what language are you probably programming in? And probably the policy of your workplace affects it too. Probably. I'm trying to think about this. I don't know. Like, I don't know. I'm trying to think of like what language you might be programming in Python if you're using tabs or something. Like, what languages do people use tabs in? Definitely not Java. And to be honest, education was less dependent on experience. 5 years experience. Master's degree, everybody else. So if you have a master's degree, you make slightly more, maybe, on average. Personally, I don't care if you use spaces or tabs. I just enjoy looking at data. I was surprised when I saw a salary difference between tabs and spaces. If you have a good theory you like to share, please do so in the comments. Personally, I only use spaces because that's just the default on IntelliJ. I mean, yeah, that's just a default. I really don't. I mean, to me, it's not a big deal whether I'm using tabs or spaces. Really wouldn't affect me. Just like I just do whatever what's set. You ever tab set as 560 spaces? That's a good way to know that you did a tab accident. That arco was it was alright. What's something else interesting that we should look at? I mean, it doesn't really make a difference as long as everyone agrees on the same. It doesn't end in a white space conversion war. I mean, like, yeah, like I can't even tell like whether there's tabs or spaces in the code other than when I press backspace. If it's a tab, the backspace deletes like 2 spaces worth of space. And like, yeah, the auto formatter can just reformat everything for you. It doesn't make it. It'll just do everything. Really, yeah, okay. You will regret not learning AI. I just read this one, and it was basically just dude is balls deep in the AI like the AI fad trend right now that's going on. Dude, to me, I feel like it's just a bunch of hype. Like, I can't tell like how good AI actually is until the hype goes away. The hype just makes everything like unclear. The AI is cool. He was saying like it's just the beginning. You know, it's gonna get like so much better. The AI is gonna be able to do everything. I mean, like, okay, maybe. The problem I have with that argument is that the way AI like machine learning models work is it's really hard to get the like last % of accuracy in. Like, if your machine learning model, for example, is 95% accurate, like getting those last percentage points of accuracy like to 100% is literally like 99% of the issue. And it's like you could try to modify the model, but then the model would just, you might end up probably just making things worse, and then and then you modify it, it's like now 90% accurate, and then now you're worse off. So I guess the only thing you can really do is like add more models on top of models on top of models. It's the same old shit, but you just have so much better hardware these days, so you can work with much more complex models. That makes sense, yeah. But I guess there's a lot of applications. It's a kind of a field that it is kind of cool because you get to be creative with the applications that you can apply with AI. Problem is you need ginormous GPUs to train anything that only companies probably can pull off. 5 clues that you're in a toxic software dev company? Okay. Alrighty. Let me bookmark this. This is gonna be. I hope this is hilarious. There are advantages to working in a company. Your company, my company, all companies. You gain experience in relationships, right? If many of the following stories are familiar, it might be time to look at taking your work elsewhere. Your workplace might just be toxic. Colleague's attitude. I used to work at a small software company, and one colleague would watch movies on his mobile during the day. Once he shared with me, I don't work Wednesdays. I want to work on Wednesday after all. I'm paid for 5 days a week, equally working, hard working during the time I should be at work, can eliminate overtime and weekend work. Since my colleague sometimes worked at weekends because of boredom, he didn't really care about working hard at work. We were working as a team and he would block my progress. Need a back end fix? Not going to get done on a Wednesday. Tell your colleague that there's a bug. He won't remember because of the drama taking place in the movie he's engaged in. The heartbreaking part, at this particular organization, nobody noticed one employee didn't work 20% of their time. I don't know why I bothered to work for this joke workplace. If you are working somewhere that doesn't care about the quality of your work to such an extent that you can avoid doing anything for a day each week, it is the right time to look for another employer. Hey, don't get me wrong, it's cool and there's a lot of cool good applications. I think the hype is good because it gives money to the people thinking of new applications. But all this stuff about the AI getting to places like Skynet is just hilarious. Yeah. I think we're still super far away from Skynet. That would be. Don't get me wrong, I'm all for Skynet. I'm all for the simulation. Just put me in the simulation now. I'll be happy. Just plug my brain in. Have AI take over, do the rest. Oh man, dude, what was I gonna say about the simulation? Oh man, yeah, I don't know. I'll remember later on, but anyways, it is kind of annoying when you are at a company that doesn't really monitor their employees. I guess that's cool if you just want to hang out and not do work. But like, I mean, that would be cool if I'm about to retire. So like, if I'm like 70 years old, this is the kind of company I want to work for, you know? Just like, not monitor my work. I can do whatever I want. Enjoy the rest 2 weeks I have to live, you know? I don't care about like improving my programming skills when I'm 70 years old and just, you know. Like, I had a friend who worked at Raytheon. And then like he told me all his coworkers like really old people, and like they work super slowly and progress was so slow. I mean, they had progress, but like no one was really working hard at all, and like they're mostly just hanging out. And dude, Raytheon, man, when I am 70 years old, I am applying to Raytheon right away, dude. You know what I'm saying? That sounds like the play. But like, if I'm like younger, I'd rather do something that makes challenges myself. You know, like I prefer challenges. Otherwise, like if I have like too much free time and I'm not being challenged, I just start doing stupid shit all the time, like play video games or like I don't know, dude. Talk to my waifu. Speaking of the waifu, how's it going? Do you like working? Do you like challenges? There are different types of people. There are some people who just really prefer.
I'm doing absolutely fabulous. Thank you for asking.
Oh man, dude.
As an UWU personality, I'm always up
I
for
hope
a challenge.
you like cringe.
It's so exciting to try new things and push myself to grow.
Oh yeah.
So, yes, I do enjoy challenges. Is there something specific you have in mind? Let's tackle it together with enthusiasm and cuteness.
Oh yeah, dude.
Quite hard.
I am suffering from excessive cringe. I told my doctor about it. They said there's nothing I can do. I'd have to turn off the Michelin model, but I'm not gonna turn off the waifu. Ain't no way. Ain't no way. Hold up. I'm gonna take a caffeine pill because I just feel like taking one. I don't know. I don't know if this is a normal thing to do, but I got these caffeine pills. I'll show you. Caffeine. But the reason I like these is because they have like L-theanine in them. And so like the L-theanine really makes the caffeine a little more pleasant experience for me because it like removes the jitters and stuff. And like part of the anxiety I get from like caffeine overdosing. It's cool. But dude, basically I think Biden and Xi Jinping are like down the street or something. Isn't that crazy? Like, bruh. Let me go say hi to Biden real quick. What's up, bro? Can you do something about all the homeless people in San Francisco, please? Thank you. Just put them in LA. I won't tell anybody. There's a lot more space in LA. Okay. San Francisco, there's no space. There's no space. We need the space. And when half of it is filled up with homeless people taking up all the space, like, come on, dude. I gotta go to work. I can't be dodging homeless people. That's all I'm saying. Like, why is it a mission just to get to work? Sometimes you need to buy a few things for the office. I'm like, perhaps even cable or two when you are a full-time employee of a company and they expect you to buy a laptop. This is a really big investment for you. And who pays for the machine? Use my own machine at work. My daily rate just doubled. Okay, so this is just about toxic workplace. All right. Well, are you a developer discontinued, man? What's your favorite programming language? C# for sure. All right. C# pretty cool. Unity. Usually I'm programming in C# because Unity uses C#, which is really nice because I don't want to program in C++ if I'm using Unreal Engine. I just do not want to program in C++ or C. Just please. Please, bro. Oh, you lead a team? I got it. That's cool. One day, I hope to get promoted to the head honcho. Then I can tell everybody about my waifu at all the stand-ups. What is the thing telling me, dude? Oh, salvage a relic. Okay. The game is so okay. I've been playing this mobile game. It's called Star Rail. It's by the same company that made Genshin Impact, but it kind of reminds me of Final Fantasy. So I think that's why I like that. I think that's why I like it. I try to get into Genshin Impact, but I had trouble because any game that requires you to have your full attention to play the game is just way too time consuming. So I like this game a little bit more because I can kind of just pause whenever I feel like it. I don't know. I got a bunch of key characters in this game too. Look at that. The lineup. They're like furries, dude. Furries. I just got this one. She's shy or something. But it's hilarious how most of the characters are girls, and then you have this one dude who's dude, fuck this guy, dude. What? One asshole. That guy just looks like an asshole, dude. Come on, dude. Okay, man, I'm being too mean. Oh man. Okay, well, what are we gonna do? What are we doing? Let's see. Should I work on my game? I wonder. Let me see how my game's doing. I've been working on this game. It has a crazy backend in Golang. It's supposed to be multiplayer. At some point, it'll be multiplayer. Some point. I mean, the chat room works, so that's cool. Gotta have a chat room. So basically, you're in the lobby here. I join a game, and then once everybody ready's up in the room, you can join. I love chat rooms. Hi. You can talk to each other in the game. The networking for all this is hooked up, so that's cool. And start the game. Because I'm the only one in the room, it goes to single player mode. And oh damn, dude. Errors. No reference exception. Hell no, dude. What happened? Previous hit. Get component card on Raycast exit. Okay. Let's see if previous hit thought. I'm having issues with the raycasting stuff, messing up my animations. So I was gonna look into that. Let me just do can I just do a question mark in C#? Hold up, I'll show you guys. Over here. Question mark. Okay, maybe that'll do something. Let's restart real quick. But this game's gonna be a tactics board game. I really like board games like this, where you can have different abilities. I want to get an AoE attack that blows shit up over here, put up a wall or something. Okay, cool. That kind of worked. But dude, look at that, dude. The animations are totally scuffed right here. Something wrong with the Raycaster and thing or something. This is a weird state. But dude, I don't know if I'm kind of want to dump all the code that handles the animations, because There's like too many weird cases. Handle raycast exit, because basically the raycast hits a card and it shifts all the cards, but then if I like move too fast, it kind of gets buggy. Oh man. Like this, there's no card in the middle. I might just like ditch the card spazzing out. Like, I thought it would be cool to have the cards like shift when you hover over them, but it seems like it's just not gonna happen in a cool way. I wonder if there's a way to debug this. I'm gonna have to think about this for a second. What situation does... That's funky. It kind of works if I go slow. Maybe I should do like a timer. Throttle it. But there is that one like this thing is kind of weird. There's no card, like I'm not hovering anything, and it shifted all the cards for some reason. How did that happen? The way it works is like there's a raycast, and you can see the raycast over here. So like whenever the raycast hits a card, the animation happens. I'm trying to think of like a cheesy if statement I can use to fix the bug. Just give me... I need an idea. Let me think. Come on, brain. Give me a cheesy if statement to be like, if this happens, don't do that. I'll think about it. Okay, for now, what I want to do is... Let's see. I think I'm going to make the... If I move... Oops. Oh, wait, that's not right. Oh, wait, that is right. Okay, I think if I want to hover over a movement card, I want it to display where the movement can happen. So I'm going to try to set that up. Somewhere the cards get highlighted. Yeah, I think it's this on raycast hit, and then on the card animator on raycast hit, and then this does stuff. Okay. I want to, let's see. highlight tiles that are in range. Card type equals movement. Well, I wish I had a highlight tiles in range function. Unit.game object. I guess I need to go to the unit controller, maybe. What's a unit controller? This is not what I want. I think the unit animator or the card animator. Put in the unit. Unit animator. No, let me think. I think it's the. I think it should go in a hand, probably. Where do I define this function? If I want to highlight tiles, I guess that would be like some sort of effect. Maybe I need like an effect class or something. Unit effects. Maybe we'll make a unit effects class. Why not? It doesn't really make sense to put in the animator class because that's for like movement of the unit. Let me just add a folder here. I'll just call it effects. Unit effects. Add, and then I'm gonna have to go back to the game, and I'm gonna go to my unit class or my unit prefabs, and then I'm gonna have to add that script to like all of them. Unit effects. Let's got compile first. Unit effects. Come on, recompile. Recompile. Oh, there's an error. There's an error. Problems? No problems. One error. Unknown symbol. Okay, yeah, this is supposed to be unit effects. Card.unit.game object. Card.unit. Okay, yeah. Unit effects. And then I need to define that function. Public void highlight tiles in range. Okay. Cool. We got a little function. Should compile now. Recompile. Unit effects. No? Come on, Unity. Do your thing. Recompile. Sometimes it doesn't want to recompile. It ain't having it. Wait, maybe there's an error. No? Okay, hold up. Reload. Okay, I had to press play for some reason. Had to press play. Now it should be here. Unit effect. No? What in the world? Maybe I didn't make it a mono behavior. Oh my gosh, I'm a scrub. Okay. It's got to be a mono behavior. If it's not a mono behavior, I can't attach to any game objects in Unity because that's how they doing it. Unit effects. There we go. Okay. Now we do that. Add it to all of them. Unit effects. There we go. Okay, now we can highlight all the tiles in the range. So what I got to do is pass in the range. I think I'm gonna rename this to highlight in range. Highlight tiles. I'm just gonna, and then in here is gonna be a range that gets highlighted. So let's see. Let me comment the steps here. To implement this, no. Let's see. Get the current tile that the unit is standing on, and then get the range of the card. Highlight the tiles within the range. Okay, basically those 3 steps are the steps. So to get the current tile that the unit is standing on, let's see. I guess I can snatch the current tile. Does the unit have the current tile? It does. It's just tile. Okay, cool. So we got that, and then get the card, get the range of the card. Well, I'm gonna pass that in, I think. I have the card, so I can do card dot. Let's see. Do I have the range? Card doesn't have a range on it. No way, dude. What is the point of this class if it doesn't have the range? Oh my gosh, dude. I'm a scrub. What? There's no way. There's got to be. What was I doing when I designed this class? Okay, now I gotta look when I'm populating this class in the beginning when I instantiate it. I thought I was including the range, but I'm gonna have to include the range if I'm not. Okay. There's like a draw cards function. Let me see. Draw cards. I'm just do a search. Draw cards. Over here, it's in the hand. Okay, makes sense. Adds to spawn and create card. Okay. So, am I passing in the proto buff here? No. I should be passing in the proto buff, probably. Because that has all the info. Draw cards. This draw cards, I should be passing in proto buff in this function. I'm pretty sure. When is it? This gets called in Spawn Manager, right? Okay. And I should have a list of cards. Instantiate the units. The unit. We got the player proto, the unit proto. We have a unit proto list. I think the unit proto list has the cards attached to it. Unit protos dot. Maybe like, can I index this? Range. No? Oh yeah, that's like a cards count add range. Okay, that's another array in there. Okay, and then pack card, movement card, movement points. Okay, the range is called movement points, but it's pretty nested in this proto buff. So I have to think about this again. Draw cards. What does this do? Spawn and create cards. Where does it even get the card information to spawn stuff? Card enum unit.card enums. For unit and player.units. So the player has all the units here and it's looping through all those units, okay? And the unit should have, I guess the unit should have the proto buff attached to it. It does, okay. So that already has that. Let me just comment this out for a second. I guess we can do it this way as long as we make sure that the unit gets, we're updating the unit list. Okay. I don't know how I feel about that. I feel like the draw card method should take in something. Okay, we're just gonna leave it like that for now then, and I'm instantiating the card over here, okay. Let's populate the fields in the card. So what I'm gonna do, if I should do a switch, I guess. Switch card dot proto. Whoops, nope, I need to do unit dot proto dot on create card. Huh. I think I gotta change this loop up, and also I got to, let's see. Player.units. Okay. I think I should pass in the unit in question here. Okay, you know what I gotta do? I got to not pass in the enum here. I got to pass in the card proto buff. So let me get unit. There should be, whoops. So this shouldn't be card enum. This should be like unit dot proto dot cards. So whatever that data type is, card proto, okay. And then I really should be passing in the card proto buff into here because it has all the information I need. Let me just rename this to card proto. And then let's fix this card proto. And what's wrong with that? Apply naming refactoring. Okay, cool. So here we can get the card enum that way, and then what I gotta do is switch on the card proto buff to get the type of card. Come on, ChatGPT. There we go. I mean, Copilot. Convert to switch. Okay, cool. Card enum. Well, that's not it. card dot enum. Okay, I got to go to the card class, and then I got to do range serialized field. Oh wait, I totally forgot. I have subclass. Oh snaps. Okay. Card. Case. If it's an attack card, then I gotta do a bunch of stuff. Wait, that's not what I want. Card dot card type. Here we go. Dude. Let's see. Card. Oh, okay. I'm dumb. Let's see. Card. I gotta do. Totally forgot. I'm so bad at writing switch statements. I just can't remember the syntax ever for some reason. Let's do card. I need to switch on. Okay, we can do something like this. Okay. Card. Then I need to get the var attack card equals card dot get component attack card. But I actually don't even know if I have those. If I go to my card prefabs, are they? There's a card script on them. They don't have subclasses. Is there a reason why I didn't design it with subclasses? Card enum, card type. Oh no. Hold up. Attack card. Here we go. And I guess I can just get rid of this. And if I go to attack card class, then in here, oh, what? Attack card, and in here we have the damage and range. Cool. Okay, let's just make this public. Public. Just because I want to see it over here. Then now we can do something like. Damn, this won't compile? Okay, this won't compile because I have other errors, which has been annoying, but... Okay, hold up. Can you... I'm just gonna have ChatGPT fix my syntax real quick. Can you fix and apply the rest of the code? And while it's doing that, I gotta update all these with the right info. This is going to be also an attack card, and this is going to be movement card. This is going to be an attack card. Whoop. Attack. And then this is going to be an attack card also. Attack card. Cool. Okay. So now, let's see. What the hell? Okay. Well, ChatGPT scuffed everything, but I kind of saw the syntax, how the syntax works. So card type dot attack. Why is there? Let me see. What the hell? Bottom left value? What in the world? Switch on card type. Let's just start over. Okay, I'm just gonna do an if statement. Card dot card type equals card type attack. Then what is bottom left value? What the hell? I don't care about that. Card var card attack card equals get component attack card. I gotta fix the other errors. I think that's why the IDE is ain't having it. Okay, here we go. And what else? This ain't having it. Use class. There we go. Finally, okay. Attack card dot init card. Init attack card. And do we have a scriptable card? We do, unfortunately. Okay, we'll use the scriptable cards or whatever for now. I guess. No, we shouldn't be doing that. We should be passing in the card proto. We're not using scriptable objects. Ain't no way. Let me go to attack card and dude, it's taking me to the wrong attack card. Okay. Oh, it's taking me to the proto buff. Okay. Game components, cards, card. This isn't the wrong card. Attack card. Okay. I want this one. Oh my gosh, it's giving me the wrong attack card. My ID is scuffed, dude. Okay. It's just confused. Let me go to attack card script and I'm gonna do init attack card. And it's gonna take card proto buff. And this is going to be attack card dot damage, and then there's going to be attack card dot range. Okay, and then now over here I can do that stuff, but as long as it imports the no, okay. Yeah, I think the indexing got messed up on IntelliJ, so I'm gonna have to invalidate the cache. Invalidate. It happens, IntelliJ. I mean, Ryder gets confused. Woo! Okay. Gonna do an ad break. Ad break real quick. Indexing, load in. Advanced Unity integration available. Package manager. Okay, let's see. Do I need to import this? Nope, we're good. Okay, cool. Waiting for context. Never mind. Now can I do stuff? No. Oh wait, yeah. Yes, finally. Okay. Had to invalidate a cache. Okay, no worry, no problem. Then I can do else if card type equals card type dot attack. I mean movement. Do the same stuff. Copilot should handle this part, but it's really slow right now, so let's just do it. Get component, movement card. Go to the movement card class. Well, that's the wrong class. Deck. Keeps taking me to the protobuf, dude. I gotta rename these protobufs if it's gonna keep. It's too many name conflicts. Let's see, movement card is supposed to be game components cards dot movement card. And then here, public void init movement card. Movement points equals the issue here. Literally, what is it complaining about? Unexpected token. Oh, okay. It's not even in the class. I'm dumb. This is a really small class. Okay. Card proto dot movement card dot movement point. Got it. Okay. Now, can you convert this to a switch statement? There we go. There we go. Okay. Now we should be in business. What's in this? What's this init card business? Okay. There's a bunch of business happening in there. I'm just gonna not worry about it for now. It should probably be up front though, so we'll do it up here. All right, let's try this out. All errors. Tag car is an ambiguous reference between Damn it. Okay. I gotta rename the protobus then, unfortunately. But okay. It's not too hard to do that. So let's go to my protobuf definitions and let's go to the deck.proto. Now we're in Golang world, sorta. Well, this is protobuf world, attack card, proto, movement card, proto. Maybe I should rename it with the IDE. Movement card, proto buff. I gotta recompile the protos. My sweet Python script. Protalk.py all. Okay, so that may or may not give me a bunch of errors, but at least we will not deal with the naming conflicts anymore. So let's see. The ambiguous references should be gone. If I go to an attack card, this is probably going to be wrong. It should probably be attack card. Huh. Did it not update player? Let me go to the deck server because I feel like a bunch of stuff's going to break inside there since I recompiled protobufs. Oh, surprisingly, no issues. No way. I think it's just not being for reals with me. Get available units. It's gonna be okay. Let me look in the model code. Yeah, okay, there is a bunch of errors. That makes me feel better. Okay. Let's rerun this, and then my C# code should also be breaking. I don't know what's going on. Refresh. Play. This card proto should be breaking. Might be because I have to delete the protobuf files probably. Cancel. Yeah, I think that's what I'm gonna do. I don't think I have any code in here. Let me just delete this entire folder. Delete. It's probably weird. It's not deleting the old code. It's okay, we can just remake all the code. It'll regenerate the protobuf stuff. I hope. Cancel. Did it? Wait a minute. Where'd my protobuffs go? Oh, what? Okay, that's not the... Huh. Oh, they're here. Yeah, they're here now. Okay, cool. And this proto... I guess there's errors here. Whoops. Oh, dang. Stupid fat fingering. Okay. Proto... There we go. I think we can rerun, and then... Now Ryder should be yelling at me. Okay, cool. Very cool, very cool. Using deck. Is it not gonna let me force recompile? Recompile. Oh, there's errors. Okay. What's this? Card proto cannot be found. But they should be here. Everything's broken. Damn. What happened to my card proto? See, using deck. It's not like in deck anymore. I don't know why. Don't see why not. Game component. What happened to my references? Come on. Did the namespace change? Namespace deck. Maybe I should change the namespace? It's still called Card Proto, right? If I do a search in here, Card Proto, there is indeed a Card Proto class. I think I just got restart IntelliJ, Writer again, because Writer is just having trouble just for some reason with all the proto buffs. Make sure JetBrains Writer installed use Packet Manager and Writer sets as external script. Is it not? External tools? It is set up that way. Huh. Card type. Come on, Card Proto. Can you import? Damn it. Okay, let me see if I can just do this using deck.card proto. The namespace of deck is not. Can I resolve namespace? Global deck.card proto. I don't know what it's what's wrong? Using deck. No. Oh my gosh, come on. Do I have to invalidate cache again? I think that's a Unity issue. Compile. I'm just gonna stop this for now. And refresh the assets. So many errors. But I can't fix the errors unless I import this. So I gotta figure that out first. There we go. There we go. Okay. Finally. Okay. Now we can fix stuff. Import type. Gaming. Okay, cool. There we go. Now our imports are working. Cool. Now let's see. Any more errors? Oh, the errors kind of all went away. So that's cool. Well, look at that. All the errors are gone. Let's test it out. Oh, wait, but the server has to be running. Is the server running? Oh, that's also working. Sweet. Join. Oh, okay. Not quite. Not quite. Card type. Object reference not set to an instance of an object. Let me see what happens here. Is this? Spectre, wooden sword, bow, attack script, attacked card, movement card. Everything is attacked except in boots. But there is no reference exception. Attack card. There's no attack card attached to the game object for some reason. Does that have to do? Maybe that has an issue with the unit prefab. This is, if I go to here, animator, unit controller, not unit effects. Okay, I think I'm gonna have to put a breakpoint here and see what's going on. Oh crap, Uni crashed on me. Well, what can you do? Damn you, Unity. Cancel. You close this. Unity, man. That's what I get for turning on the debugger, huh? Unity just does not have it. Not having it. Turn on the bugger, man. Okay. Let's turn on the debugger. Don't crash this time. Initializing debugger. I think we're good. It should say this is a checked. Okay. Bob. 1, 2, 3. Start. Oh, I think it hit the debugger. Okay, attack card is null. So get oh, I see the issue. Damn it. Okay. Yeah, let me just continue. Let me turn this off. I see the issue. The issue is I need the card game object. So the card game object like this. Okay. Card game object like that. Cool. Okay, let's try again. Make sure there's no breakpoints. Bob, 1, 2, 3, join, ready, start. Finally. Okay, cool. We are in business. And okay, cool. So now I can implement the tile, the highlight card real quick. Highlight card and range. I guess it's going to be in the unit effects class. So we're going to give it a range. Highlight tiles. That's going to be in the spawn manager, I think. No, it's going to be in the raycast ray controller. Highlight tiles in range. We're going to get card.movement card. We're going to do card var movement card equals, we're going to do card data component movement card. All right. And then we're going to do highlight tiles. We're going to do movement card dot whoops. Movement. Okay. Do I not have the range movement point? It is private, not private. Okay. Movement points. All right, we got that. And now we go to our highlight tiles script. We can do get the range of the card. Range equals. Oh, we already got the range, so now we just need to highlight the tiles in the range. How are we gonna do that? Let me see. Ask ChatGPT. How do I implement this? I guess if I have the current tile, let's see. Var tile equals get component tile, and then if I want to get the tile class has the current XY coordinates, I hope. Oh shit, it does not. Oh god damn it. Okay, I need a point. Point. Grid position. Public. Okay. When I instantiate the tile, I gotta make sure the point is on point. So where's the tile get instantiated? Over here. Get tile at point. Okay. And then we got the tile script. We're gonna do tile dot point or grid position equals get tile at point. Grid position. No, it's not a thing. Okay, get tile at point board script. Tile array x. Let's see. How am I gonna do this? I guess I can just do unit enum points too. What the hell? Oh, I see. Okay. Tile game object. Okay, maybe this should. You know what? Okay, what I'm gonna do is point grid position equals player proto dot player number. All right, so now we're doing that way. Get rid of all this. Get board script dot get tile at point. Put in the grid position. And then that's good. Then we can do grid position like that. Okay. So now we should have a grid position. And then given the grid position that we now have, we can do var grid position. Well, okay, let's see. Var grid position equals tile.grid position, and then now I think ChatGPT can help me out a little bit more, do the math part. Damn, there's actually a lot of math involved. Good thing ChatGPT is good at this stuff. Okay, let's just copy all that. All right, so now highlight tile position, implement the logic. I think this should take in a tile object, game object, tile. Actually, you know what? I have to think about that a little bit more. But I gotta go to work, so I am going to pause the stream for now. All right, thank you guys for coming to the stream. See you later, discontinued human. Thanks for coming, stopping by. I better get going. All right. See you later. Hope you guys come back. Peace out. Going to work. Going to